How to resolve common Binance error and issues. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to resolve common Binance errors and issues. Now, resolving common Binance error and issues such as withdrawal, release, and login problem involves understanding the possible cause and following appropriate troubleshooting steps. The possible causes could be network congestion, ongoing security check, or incorrect withdrawal address, maintenance on Binance blockchain network, all that. So in order to fix it, first of all, what you can do is you can go ahead and check the Binance official status page or Twitter account to see if there are any announcements regarding maintenance or network issues. Likewise, ensure that the withdrawal address is correct and that the network type matches the address. And similarly, sometimes you could also go ahead and navigate to the account transaction history to check the status of your withdrawal. Common status include processing or withdrawal is being processed, the transaction has been sent to the blockchain, or there was an issue with the withdrawal. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you could go ahead and contact the support team, state about the issue, and they should be able to look into your matter or provide you with a solution on what you should be doing. So in that way, you could go ahead and fix it. Likewise, if there are still more errors, you could also go ahead and check your incorrect credential, or maybe there is an issue with the two-factor authentication, all that. You could go ahead and check or review all of these information and accordingly follow the prompt. In some cases, if you haven't updated your application in a while, then it might be another reason. So what you have to do is head over to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Binance and check whether the application needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely up to date, then you're still facing the issue, then you can try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it. At the same time, restart your device, and that should be able to resolve your common Binance errors and issues. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.